Welcome to my frozen tundra. It's freezing in this room. Anyway, if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's daylight, and so I've got some natural light coming in, and that's a good thing. First things first, I'm very upset because I broke my camera stand trying to adjust it, so I'm a little off kilter. Sorry. I tried to fix it, but it snapped. Already done the brows and primed and set my eyes. I'm going to use the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. And very pretty colors. So we're going to see what we can get from this. And because pretty much I am going to, because I don't have anything dark to go in the actual crease part. So I'm going to use the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette and try to get something to work. I'm just going to use a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into cinnamon and then hit it with some poppy just to give it a little bit of a oomph. And I still don't have my tape that I use, so I'm still using Band-Aids. Because I don't want to use anything that's not good on the skin. I've seen people try like duct tape. Don't do that. That is no bueno. Nope, nope, nope. Blend that in there. They don't have to be twins, but you do want them in the same family. That's better. And then the poppy come under little. And I start off with just a little bit and build it up, because otherwise you end up with too much. And it's easier to put more on than it is to take it off. I mean, I could take it all off, but I have never been successful in just taking a particular part off. It's either kind of a all or nothing for me. So I was thinking about doing a look without using a mirror. But the thought kind of scares me a little bit. Because I definitely rely on my mirror and the fact that I have to have magnifying ears because we're a little on the blind side. And you're probably looking at the makeup going, yeah, we know. But actually, I'm just going to go in with kind of a little flat fluffy. And let's see here. I am going to start out with, I think, well, let's start off with Seashell. That is this color right here. And we'll put that on the inner part of the lid. I want more coverage than that. So I'm just going to wet my brush a little. There we go. It's a very light color. Dun, 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 dun. So, nothing real exciting going on in my life. Gotten into cross-stitching a lot. Because we're trying to focus on health, which involves getting rid of a really, really bad habit. And I've been needing to keep my hands busy. Okay, next, going to go into Starfish. Let's see here. This one right here. I'm going to put that. Yeah, just making sure that we're just going to start off with wetting the brush. And I'm thinking that I might kind of smoke this a little. Okay. Now, we're going to go into, I don't know the names yet, so I can't just glance. I'm going to go into Reef right there. Yeah, I thought this would go together well. Last night was a really bad night for me. I've been having this insane pressure in my head that I just can't get rid of. The amount of Tylenol or Tramadol, none of that even remotely trying to touch it. Okay. I'm going to go into my Pretty Vulgar Nightingale because I know that I can get this deeper. I'm going to go into I think I'm going to try Swoop first, which is this really dark brown. I'm just going to put that on the, and I'm using the Luxie Gold little tiny brushes because I don't want an all over color. Then I want to deepen that crease too. But we don't know what's causing the pressure in my head or what's causing my stomach to hurt really bad. Now with my stomach, we know it's not anything like hepatitis A or H. pylori. When I had the endoscopy done, that was kind of, they did several biopsies through the whole esophagus, into the stomach, into the duodenum, which is just under your stomach. And nothing, which is good. It just doesn't answer why I'm still having the problem. But a lot of, we know what it's not. We just need to find out what it is. So how was everybody's holidays? Leave me a comment. Tell me what made your holidays great or special, or even if they weren't so great. You know, sometimes we just need to write it down or type it out. And that does help. Because I've done that a few times where something really weighing on me, write it down, and then burn it. You don't have to show it to anybody. Just the act of doing it. So basically, if you have a grievance with somebody, that's a very good thing to do, because of the fact that just getting it out is very beneficial. And toss a little bit up here to highlight the brow bone. Okay. Now this is my Elizabeth Mott blending brush. And I always start with the lightest, so we don't get transfer where we don't want it. I like to really get those lines blended. And then I go into the dark. And then I do not know why it's showing up so much darker on that than what it is. It's I don't know. Honestly, it is not that dark. I don't know. Okay. So I will be right back. Okay. So this is the finished look that I have. Losing my lighting. And it is freezing in this room. I need to get like a little heater or something because I'm cold. And my husband did such a sweet thing setting all this up. But it's like an igloo. An igloo. I'm not an Eskimo. Granted, I moved from Florida back up north to, have seasons again and so forth, but it's cold in here. The seasons can be outside, not in my room. So, anyway, if you like what you saw, ring the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a video. Hit the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think, what you like, what you want to see. Have pity on me because I'm freezing to death. Whatever. And don't forget the idea that helps me become more successful is going to win the giveaway. So, put your thinking caps on. Till then, bye my beauties.